Hey guys, my name is Luke Niz of VibeGoodTimes.com, and today guys, I'm back on another video. And I'm going to show you my future workshop. So if you guys come in here, it looks a little bit old and not really done yet, but basically my plan for this, it was supposed to be a storage room, but now we're going to make it into my own personal workshop. So in this corner, we're going to have like a workbench for myself, and it's going to be a metal table, and I'm going to have a nice set where I can put my tools and things that I use all the time. And here on the side here, I'm going to have my own table. And on this table, there's going to be a lathe that I ordered. And I'm going to have my rolling mill on the side as well, so it's easily accessible. I may also put my anvil in here somewhere. I might find a space to put it. But I may have to put it on a wood stump so that I don't crack the tiles on the floor. So you guys can see back here, there's a space here. And this space is basically going to be used for storing my tools that I don't use that often, but I need. So this space is going to be basically a really easily accessible space to hold all my tools and stuff that I don't need right now. In this corner, I'm going to have a drill press. And the big drill press that I have is right here. If you guys want to see the drill press. It's a little bit of an old drill press, but that's the drill press that I'll be using for this workshop here. So yeah, and if you guys don't know, Apple and Microsoft, they all started in a garage, and this is in my garage, and I'm making a workshop for myself in my garage. So yeah, and also soon I will be making videos that you guys will be able to see, and it'll basically be like live streams that you guys will be able to hop on and build stuff with me. So yeah, that's my plan for the future. So see you next time and fly with good times.